Triple Gem bless all of you. Warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first English YouTube video about the Pali language. Okay, today I am going to discuss about Pali alphabet first part. What is the first part? Is vowels. Okay, let's go our today lesson. Venerable sirs and monks, you know, the books contain the Buddha's sermons are collectively known as the Tipitaka. They are written in the Pali language. Letters are needed to represent the language. Therefore, 41 letters in the Pali language. Venerable, like every language, Pali has two divisions. What is that? Vowels and consonants. Vowels are called in the Pali Sara. Consonants are called Vyanjana. Vyanjana. Okay? In Pali language, as I said above, there are 8 vowels, and 33 consonants. What are they? Vowels. These are vowels. 8 vowels. Sara. A. How to pronounce? A. A. E. E. U. U. A. O. Okay. One more time. We are practicing how to pronounce A. A. E. E. U. U. A. O. Venerable, there are 8 vowels and 33 consonants. When they combined, 41 letters. Venerable, A, A, E, U. These 3 letters are we call short vowels. Okay. And next, A, E, U, A, O. The remaining 5 letters are long vowels. It is difference. Okay. Short vowels and long vowels. Now let's see how to pronounce these with examples. Okay. A. A is pronounced like but, but, Then A is pronounced like art, art. E is pronounced like pin, pin, pin. E is pronounced like machine, machine. U is pronounced like put. U is pronounced like put, put. P-U-T, put, put, put. U is pronounced like rule, 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 rule. A is pronounced like 10, 10. A sound. 10, 10. O is pronounced like hot, hot. O sound. Hot. Okay. One more time practicing. A, A, E, E, U, U, A, O. A is pronounced but, ba, but, at, but. A is pronounced art, sound, art. E, pin, P, pin, E sound, pin. E, machine, machine, E sound, machine. U, pu, u, put, put, u sound, put. U sound, rule. A sound is 10, 10, 10. A, O is hot, hot. Okay, I think you can try to how to pronounce that sound. Okay, okay. My short video is finished. See you in the next video. Thank you. Triple Jam bless you all of.